Danusa. We are at Clark SM, which is probably the biggest mall where you're going to be staying at. And hey, we're on the second floor, and almost everybody who comes here knows about the first floor. They really don't know about the second floor, especially this wing. Down towards the end there is the movie theaters, and we're going to do a walking tour of the upstairs floor, including several things that, unless you live here, you probably don't know about. And hey, even I didn't know some of these places. So we're going to do a walking tour here, and we'll see what we can see. So what we're going to do first is we're going to go through the welfare zone. This opened like within the last year. Anyway, so I'm not gonna. This is definitely not going to be cheap. Any of this is not going to be cheap. You can definitely find cheaper down in the city and all. But hey, if you like the upscale, you like the air conditioning, hey, I won't put it past you if you want to come here and such. I'll tell you what, the health massage would be an actual health massage, but even and not anything extra, which is, you know, honestly, older guys like me, well, that's good, actually. Don't want to get our women folk upset. Anyway, so we're going kind of down here, and we're just going to walk. We'll point a few out here. GQ Barber Shop. Prices start with a haircut for men is at 200 pesos. Normal barber here at Angeles will cost you 50 pesos. Brow shop. Skin care, derm care, fresh air salon. Yeah, this is the health center. So several dentists, including this one. Dentista, California. Hey, and my wife is in this one. She's getting permanent eyebrows. So yeah, you can get those here. I believe we're paying like $4,000. Oh, and nice thing is, they take credit cards. Oh, let me go ahead and show you the price list just in case. I don't know how much you can read this. You just probably, if you're going to want to look at this, just stop and actually pause this video. But anyway, so that's one column. Like I said, these are Clark prices. Actually, some of these are actually, even compared to downtown, are actually pretty reasonable. So we're just kind of going to show you the prices here. There you go. So it's going to spin around and sports barbers. Like I said, it's kind of a quick price list here. Okay. Actually, these prices aren't bad. I mean, honestly, for Angeles, they're not bad at all, even compared to downtown. So now we're back on the main hallway. There's the main hallway. I'm going to go to the other side here. Oh, they have Extreme Mingo. So, this is one of the best kept secrets of Angeles. A 10-pin bowling alley. So, always crowded, always busy. Here's the price list as of today. So, and pool tables. So this is at the extreme end of the shopping center here. Oh yeah, Kid Zone. Oh yeah. Okay. Bathrooms always are out here. Bring toilet paper, bring your own hand sanitizer. Sometimes they have it, sometimes they don't. So now we're in the cyber zone. So if you need cell phones, computer parts, this is where you come. It's a really good place. I've bought a lot of stuff here over the years. So buy used, they've got everything. So CDs, a whole lot of stuff. Gaming, and like I said, you need to look around. Price is dead water, up and down in price. Now I will tell you, if you want the latest Apple or whatever, it's going to cost you just here as much as say in Europe. However, as an American I can tell you, they have Chinese phones which are really, really good quality that you cannot get. Hello! Some of the phones that you cannot get in the United States. And they're almost, anyway, so. Here's the Globe office. I found a smart office in Markey. Like I said, this is the main route. But if you just need to get a load for the phone that you bought, here you can get that almost anywhere. By the way, I bought a cell phone here for 500 pesos. And it's a new Samsung. Now it's real basic. I mean, it just makes calls and text, but it works. So I think you can really get a nice phone here if you look a little bit for between 500 and 1,000 pesos, which is basically $10 to $20. I dare you to try to find something like that in the Europe or the United States. And this is the theaters, and there's the sign for the cinema, and I'm gonna, let me go over here for just 1 second. I think it's a great place to end this video. Well, Starbucks. Can't get away from them. But what I really want to show you is this. The carousel. So, anyways, this is Danusa signing off. And hope you're coming. If you are, I hope this helps you get around and show you what's here. I mean, there's a lot to do. And it's not just shopping. We've thrown showing you a lot of it. And hey, I really enjoy it, and I really want a lot of you people who see these videos, come on down. It's a great place. Alright, this has been Noosa signing off for the time being. Have a good evening. Bye.